are in the kitchen. Let's cook my current favorite dish because they keep changing. Tilapia fish is here. I got this at 200 bob. Is it worth it, guys? Ebu tell me. This time naona kama nimeoshwa. Hii ni kidogo. Let's wash. I love experimenting with different ingredients, as you guys know. We start with salt. Then, fish masala. By now, you know I love tropical heat products, like masalas. Let's do this, guys.
Hide your feelings, keep your secrets, that's just what they told you. Trust nobody, pack up and leave whenever you want to. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, and then we talk on a phone call for 70 minutes. Cause we both know we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Cause we both know that we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me.
Guys, I'm gonna do the honors and taste the food on your behalf. As always, we start with the fish. It's good. Masala hufanya kitu inakuwa soft. Look at how soft it has become. Perfect. We try the greens. More than perfect. Ugali. Ugali has never been any sweeter than this. Guys, this food is good. This is where I place my handbags and my shoes. And this space has become so small. So you know what? I am doing another shoe rack. The carpenter told me to measure the wall because I wasn't sure of the space I had. And this space is quite small and I didn't want to do a very big shoe rack. Nikose place ya kuweka. So I'm using this string to measure, and then I'll take this string to him. So we are going to measure this length, cut that. Then I'll measure the height that I want. I'll teach you these things, guys. DIYs. I think the shoe rack can get up to below the switch. Below the switch is okay. So we will have that. So I'll cut that too. Let me place this here. Then the most tricky part is this length. We'll have it from there, from the wall. Maybe we can expand up to here. That's enough, around that length. So I'll have these three. I think the height one is the longest. So I'll just do this so that it doesn't get lost. I have my string with me, so let me just go before it gets so late and see the carpenter. He had told me to see him yesterday and I didn't show up yesterday, so I know he's quite worried. Yesterday I was so busy, super busy, so I'll just show up today. I'm not yet sure about the color I want for that wall, and definitely my current shoe rack is silver and white, and not silver, in steel, that color, almost gray, let's say almost gray and white. Last time I tried a carpenter with a gray color, it was terrible. I had to tell him to repaint. so I don't want to make that mess. Now I'm quite undecided. I'm not sure if I want black chocolate or white, because gray is not an option, but I think I'll have it painted white. I love white so much. Hata kama wewe inagasha mbio, but I still love white, so I'm not yet decided, but I think white is going to go well or blending with this black gray seats, but I'll know as we continue. Sasa ndio nimeleta measurements.
Yaka ndio nimeamua nianze. Sasa huku njana ambao nilitayarisha.
Hiyo ni urefu.
Sasa hizi ni structure urefu. Alafu upana nayo. Hebu nikuja na kambao kamoja.
The next day.
Hey guys, what's going on? Guys, it's already so late, but I have to rush to the market. These things need to be changed. Even this bead is already coming off. I need to rush to the market before it gets extremely late, because I want to buy something to cook. I have nothing, like literally nothing in the house, so I need to buy a little bit of stuff to cook for supper. Yeah, so I don't want to talk much. Let's go. Mambo. Hauna melon?
Sina melon.
Ile pudding ni ngapi? Guys, I got back in the house. Where Aki, the way my hair is looking crazy is just an understatement. This is the problem with natural hair. Within no time, you get tired of it. You can't even style. You can't comb. Kama yangu sahi imeshikana kushikana. I know it just looks exactly the way I'm describing it. Anyway, I was actually having this pudding that I bought. Napenda tu kuishi huku. Ona vile imejazwa, and mark you nimekula kiasi. I know it looks delicious. Napenda tu maisha kama hii. Guys, I was eating this pudding and I just imagined how much life has changed within this short period, like since the demonstrations began. Kila siku tu news, different things, mara this, mara that, press briefings, sijui what. Like, bro, kumbe this country can change. We were all tired, we just didn't have a voice, and then a voice came. I'm just loving the show. It has even made me watch news. Like right now, I was watching news. Nieti news zimeisha za 7. And you know what? Because I've been watching news at Citizen TV, it has made me now start watching Neema. Like you guys, you have streamlined the country until people like me who are not watching the news before have started to watch news. And now I've already started liking local shows. Like, what is happening to us? Anyway, I just want to go and start cooking my supper before Neema ianze, because ikianza nitasikia tu uvivu. Hata sijui ni nini inaendelea hii country. You guys just tell me what is happening, because we are all changing, but I think for the better. Anyway, I'll enjoy my pudding as I prepare supper and watch Neema at the same time, because I'm a lady. I can serve 3 masters and not even shake or tremble. Just got this rice from Moya, so I want to put it here. I didn't have any rice at all. Sometimes I wait until all the shopping is over. That's when I remember, like, I have this thing of postponing. But anyways, want it to be super dry, because this rice is going to be staying here for so long. Or I don't put it now. I don't know. I've just washed this tin right now, and I'm fearing it might be a little bit wet, so let me just store it.
Hide your feelings, keep your secrets, that's just what they told you. Trust nobody, pack up and leave whenever you want to. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, and then we talk on a phone call for 70 minutes. Cause we both know we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Cause we both know
The next
we
day.
don't wanna get nobody else
Hey guys,
involved. You just got to be honest if you
tired.
want it.
Coming from the market right now to buy supper. I didn't have anything to cook, so these are all the things I got. I'll eat all this today. I keep living alone. People think that living alone is not expensive, but let me tell you, it's so expensive when you're buying things for just one person. I think it's better when you're living 2 or 3, because you'll be buying in bulk, and when you buy things on bulk, it becomes cheaper and easier. Let me show you what I got so that you can see the cost of living in Kenya right now. First thing is this yogurt. This one went for 55 shillings. I've also got this. This is meat. I don't know why they've packaged in this one. In Kenya, they don't frequently do this, but yeah. Meat, 100 bob. Ni kidogo, sikuwa nataka mingi. Because the economy is bad. Then I've also gotten myself a fruit. Melon. This piece is for 30 bob. Nowadays I don't buy the 50 bob piece. It's becoming so expensive. So hiyo ni ya 30 bob. Finally, hii ni straw. Hata nimeachwa na straw ya mwenyewe. These are tangerines. There are 5 of them. One was going for 10 bob. Let me show you the sizes. This size and this size. Yeah, 10 bob each. That's how much I've spent today. I think that's a total of how much? 150, 255, around that in a day. Yeah, it is very expensive to live alone in Kenya, but we survive. Yeah, I'm gonna cook supper now, and I'm so tired. I don't even have the energy to vlog because nimeranda nimetembea. I was also following up on my study table. It's not on my shoe rack. It's not yet ready, and the carpenter has really drained my energy up again. Imagine we had agreed on the price, and then he told me I underestimated this work, and so now I'm going to have to charge you more than that, more than what we agreed. Now he wants me to add money. Guys, I've really talked. I have talked. I'm tired. I've been drained. I was so disappointed, but hi Thoro. Anyway, I want to cook supper, and I don't think I'll be filming because I'm tired. Nitapika mbio and just sleep. So guys, please like this video. I think this will be the end of this week's vlog. I need to edit and post it before Wednesday, so thank you so much for watching up to this far. If you've watched up to this far, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, you guys. It really helps me. Also comment down below, tell me the kind of videos you love watching. Are you liking the vlogs? Should I incorporate anything else? Tell me what you want to see me posting, and I'll definitely deliver. You guys know your wish is my command. So thank you so much for your support up to this far, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye, stay safe.